Christine Fitzgerald from Perfect Squares Tutoring. Today's question says, find the biggest possible domain of the function 2 by x take 1 squared plus 3 if f to the negative 1 of x exists. So if the inverse function exists. Right, for an inverse function to exist, the original function must be 1 to 1. So let's have a look at the shape of the graph to see if it is 1 to 1. It's a quadratic and it's got its turning point at positive 1, positive 3. It's in turning point form, so it's going to be a little bit easier for us to sketch the graph. You change the sign of the number in the bracket, you don't change the sign of the number after the bracket. So f of x is the turning point at 1, 3, okay, and then it's a positive parabola from there. That's a rough idea of the shape of the graph. It's not 1 to 1. If I draw a horizontal line through it, there are plenty of places where it cuts twice. So we need to restrict the domain because we want the biggest possible domain when it would be 1 to 1. So restrict the domain until it is just 1 to 1. Now it's most conventional to remove the left side of the graph. So starting from the left, how much of it do we need to remove until it's 1 to 1? Right on that turning point. So therefore, the domain that we're going to keep, I'll show you on the diagram. We don't want anything here, but just that point and the right-hand side, including that point. So if I want to describe that as a domain, it starts at 1, it goes to positive infinity, including all values in between. You can never include infinity, but this time we do want to include the 1 because you've got to have the biggest possible domain, so don't take off any more than what you really need to.